Hi, John Capobianco here with Selector AI. We have a brand new version, version 3, of our Packet Copilot. This is an online website that you can upload packet captures to and chat with them. It goes beyond that now. We've introduced model context protocol and a few major upgrades and optimizations. Let's take a look and then we'll discuss some of the changes in this latest version. First of all, it's still available online at packetcopilot.selector.ai. And you can see that there is some model context protocol instructions here on how you can add this to your MCP clients or your AI agents. We're going to go ahead and upload a capture.pcap, and I want to show you how fast this is now. So a couple of major changes. That used to take about a minute, and now it's down to 2 or 3 seconds. The technology behind this is called Google File Search. This is a cloud-based RAG as a service system which eliminates the slowness and the complexity and the fragility of things like local vector stores and embeddings models and a variety of other things. The other thing you may have noticed is that we have also introduced TOON, token-oriented object notation. Now, what that does is take the JSON that we've converted the PCAP to into TOON, and then we store the TOON in the File Search Cloud vector store. So we have also upgraded to Gemini 3 Pro. So this analysis takes about the same amount of time, but it is deep analysis from the latest and greatest model from Google. The other thing I want to mention is that this is all behind a Selector AI key, and Google is not learning from this exchange. So as you can see, we have a general overview of this packet, the layer 2 information, the layer 3 information, the layer 4 information, payload analysis, and some summary and anomalies. Now that is all through the web browser with the single packet capture in less than a minute for the analysis. Now I'm quickly going to show you a couple of other ways this can be used. This is in VS Code, and I have a session here I want to show you that I've gone ahead and used the packet capture through the VS Code MCP. So can you use Selector AI Packet Copilot to help analyze this capture.pcap, please? It goes ahead and does all of the necessary steps and then gives us our summary analysis. Now the advantage of something like VS Code is that I can ask it to then go ahead and generate something like this, a markdown report, right inside of my working folder of this packet capture. Similarly, Gemini CLI, we can ask about the packet capture file, provided we provide the path to the packet capture, and then we'll go ahead and do that process, provide the analysis of the PCAP, and then work with Gemini CLI to provide the summary and the answer. So, our Packet Copilot now has the web version, which has been completely overhauled, is very fast and very good, as well as offering the ability for you to either build your own AI agent, a React agent, reasoning and action, and the action can use the model context protocol tools we offer, or you could plug it into commercially available MCP clients, AI agents like Gemini or VS Code as I've shown you. Thank you again, and reach out and let me know if you have any amazing results from your packet capture analysis, and I look forward to working with you again in the future in 2026. Thank you.